Welcome to our channel. If you want to eliminate overdraft fees, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your account and avoid costly bank penalties. Step 1. Opt out of overdraft protection services that charge fees. Banks must allow you to decline overdraft coverage, which means transactions will be denied rather than processed with expensive fees. Step 2. Link your checking account to a savings account for overdraft transfer protection. Most banks charge minimal or no fees to transfer funds from savings when checking is overdrawn. Step 3. Monitor your account balance daily using your bank's mobile app. Check pending transactions and scheduled payments to ensure sufficient funds before they process. Step 4. Set up low balance alerts through your banking app. Configure notifications when your balance drops below a threshold you set, giving you time to add funds. Step 5. Maintain a buffer amount in your checking account at all times. Keep an extra $100 or $200 as a cushion to prevent overdrafts from unexpected charges or timing issues. Step 6. Create a budget and track all expenses carefully. Know when bills are due and how much you spend to avoid surprise withdrawals that cause overdrafts. Step 7. Schedule bill payments strategically around your paychecks. Ensure money is in your account before automatic payments process to prevent overdraft fees. Step 8. Sign up for overdraft line of credit if your bank offers it. This option charges interest instead of flat fees and typically costs much less than standard overdraft penalties. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.